Hi, I'm Jack, Head of Product Development at Commission Factory. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the latest features that we've released in our summer release, in our very first video update. I hope you enjoy it. So since we launched Nexus in July last year in our winter release, we've received a lot of valuable feedback around the offering and how we can improve it. And one of the things that we identified from that feedback was giving advertisers access to benchmarking data directly through the LLM chat experience. So as you can see, it's much easier now to get those quick insights into where your program's underperforming or overperforming within the same market as your competitors. One of the most powerful features Nexus Pro offers is its dynamic reporting. And for new customers joining Commission Factory or existing customers that haven't used this tool before, this is potentially the most valuable tool that Nexus has in its toolkit. So as you can see, you can ask Nexus simple questions about your program and get key insights back directly within the chat. So you can also ask follow-up questions, just like you would in ChatGPT or any other LLM you're currently using within your existing workflow, and Nexus will iterate on that report by adding additional metrics and adding more summaries below. So one of the concepts we introduced last year in our winter release and at our Connect event is the idea of meeting our customers where they are. We know it's really important for our customers to easily integrate and work with Commission Factory using the existing tools that you have in your tech stack. So that's a quick look at what's new in our summer release. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any feedback, we'd love to hear it so we can further refine our tools to make it easier for you guys to all work with Commission Factory.